Hi everyone, welcome to new video. Today, I'm repairing an induction cooker that has a frustrating problem. It beeps constantly, fails to heat, and shuts down after a few seconds. This beeping alarm usually points to a detection circuit failure. In this video, I'll walk you through the diagnostic process, from checking the high resistance, detection resistors, 2 OK and for 3 OK, to testing the thermal sensors. The real culprit turned out to be a faulty 22K variable resistor used for power adjustment. I'll show you how to substitute it safely and also replace 12 unresponsive takt switches on the control panel to make this unit work like new again. Let's get to work.